I just found an AI tool that can create long-form viral anime fight videos with cinematic action scenes automatically for free. No advanced animation skills required. All you have to do is come up with a simple fight idea, and with the help of AI, you can turn it into intense anime battle scenes with powerful characters, cinematic camera shots, visual effects, and storytelling just like this. Now, here's the crazy part. AI anime fight videos are one of the easiest types of content to go viral right now. But creating videos like this normally takes a lot of time, animation, editing, and multiple complicated tools. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you my complete step-by-step workflow for creating cinematic AI anime fight videos faster and easier using powerful AI tools. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get into it. The AI tool we'll be using is called Anajam AI, and honestly, this thing feels like a complete game changer for creating long-form AI videos. It's basically an advanced AI agent built specifically for animated content creation. Instead of spending hours switching between different tools, Anajam AI helps you handle almost the entire production workflow from just a simple idea. It can help with script writing, storyboarding, character creation, anime-style scenes, animations, lip-syncing, voiceovers, and final video generation all in one place. Think of it like the ChatGPT of animation and AI video production. You simply describe the type of anime fight video you want to create, and the AI helps bring everything together for you automatically. To get started, click the link in the video description or simply open your browser, type Anajam AI, and open the official website. Once you're here, click on Start for Free. Another really cool thing is that the platform also works smoothly on mobile devices, which means you can even create anime fight videos directly from your phone. From there, sign up using your Gmail or email address, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. And the best part is that Anijam AI gives you free credits to start creating immediately, plus additional daily check-in credits, which is honestly pretty encouraging to small creators. To start creating our AI anime fight video, I'm going to paste in my prompt right here. And the good thing is, you don't even need an extremely detailed story to get amazing results. Simply ask ChatGPT to help you with a story prompt. And real quick, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Thank you. Now, once your prompt is ready, click on this Send button right here. After that, you'll be taken into the main Canvas studio, which is where the entire anime video production workflow happens. On the right side, you'll see the AI chat panel that allows you to communicate directly with the AI agent and customize your video generation process. You'll also notice 3 different creation modes here: AI Director Mode, Workflow Mode, and Oscar Mode. AI Director Mode is the easiest option because the AI automatically handles most of the creative process for you, including scene direction, cinematic flow, and story structure. Workflow Mode gives you more manual control over each stage of the production process. Oscar Mode is the boss of them all. For this tutorial, I'll be using AI Director Mode because it's much faster and beginner-friendly. Next, I will select my preferred video generation model. In this case, I will go with Kling 03 because it is free, then click Confirm, and the AI agent will go to work immediately. Next, you can select your target audience. You can choose options like kids, teenagers, or general audiences depending on the type of anime fight content you want to create. I'll leave mine set to teenagers. Right below that, choose your target platform. I'll keep mine on YouTube. For the aspect ratio, I'll use 16:9 since we're creating a long-form cinematic anime fight video. But if you want to create shorts or TikTok videos, you can switch to vertical formats instead. For audio mode, you have some choices, but I will go with dialogue mode, which works good for anime fight videos. You can also adjust the video duration here. For this example, I'll set mine to 1 minute just for testing purposes, but for real long-form projects, you can go much longer. Then click Confirm. The AI will now generate a complete story outline for your anime fight video. If there's anything you want to change, like the characters, powers, locations, or action scenes, you can simply tell the AI in the chat box, and it will instantly update everything for you. Once the outline looks good, head over to the Style Design button and click on it. This is where the AI automatically recommends visual styles that match your anime story. You can also open the Style library and explore different cinematic anime looks, 3D styles, futuristic designs, dark action themes, and many more. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose this style right here. Once that's done, click on Concept Design. Here, the AI automatically generates the characters, environments, action scenes, and overall visual structure for your anime fight video. Everything is organized scene by scene, which makes the workflow super clean and easy to follow. Now click on Generate All Concepts. The AI will automatically arrange every scene inside the canvas along with the production structure for the full animation sequence. From here, you can either generate scenes individually or generate the entire anime fight video all at once. I'll select Start Video Generation so the AI can start creating everything automatically using the Kling-O 3 video generation model. Then I will click Generate All at Once so the AI starts rendering and generating the scenes. Let's generate the background music. Now, render the video. Once the rendering is complete, now simply click the download button to save the final anime fight video directly to your computer. Now, let's preview the final result. And just like that, you can now start creating your own long-form viral AI anime fight videos using Anajam AI. As you can see, the entire process is much faster, easier, and more beginner-friendly than traditional animation workflows. If you want to get started, check the link in the video description below and start creating your own cinematic anime battle videos today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI video creation tutorials, viral content strategies, and powerful AI tools.